Oh, because I really make good chocolate brownies.
Out in the street, they call it
Side Music Festival, powered by Ford. December 2nd and 3rd at Fort Lauderdale Beach. 2 days, 2 stages, and way too much fun. Starring the Black Keys. Down, 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 down.
This is just a dance
In 1 mile, turn right onto Sebastian Street.
Hi.
Good morning, good morning. How are you? Okay, so I'm looking into the shower drain. I see no water in the bottom here. Jackie's gonna take us and get the keys to unit 4D. Do this to where I get this straight here. Mark, you want to go up with your thing and run it? Really?
Yup.
Huh, interesting. It just doesn't make any sense.
WSFS and WSFS HD1 Miramar.
Miami. Broadcasting live from the Anna Joran Levine Accident Attorney Studio.
Call 1-800-747-FREE. That's 1-800-747-3733. We are
South Florida's alternative. 104.3. Always live on the free Odyssey